How's it look from the outside?
Awesome. Ready?
Yeah. Oh God. There's no way. Yo, oh, I plowed that last turn. That was like 3/4 of a second.
Oh my God, the grip, dude.
Was that fun?
Yeah. Can I? Are you going again?
Yeah.
Is it if I do one more?
41?
Yeah.
You're a freaking animal, man. I ran a 49-1 with my street tires.
Oh man.
I'm holding the bottom of the wheel through that skid pad.
Yeah.
This thing just, I mean, it doesn't turn, but that's okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and sneak one more in.
All right, go have fun, man.
Dude, going to the first turn, I'm